Chapter 33 Promises Toravon. I don't know that it will. And I haven't missed that Valterre is referring to Caleb as a man again, either. Could he possibly be a man, not a woman? Was that another reason? I had a noble son come to the captain of my guards last month and tell him he was a man, not a woman, and ask for a place in my guards. And he's been an excellent and capable guard so far. I look back up at Valterre. Yes, I know I should talk to Caleb. I know I need to. But I say, my words nearly a whisper in the dim light of my stolen wall lamp. Is it worth even that? I am going to marry in a few months. If he wants to stay as Caleb and become a court mage, it would kill me. Whether he's a woman disguising herself as a man or has other reasons of his own, it would kill me to have him near me, even if it's only in passing in my court. He might, in time, replace Master Aldrich, and then I would have to see him, to talk with him, to work with him, and I truly know it would poison my marriage, such as it is. Caleb's plea that I give my new wife a chance hangs heavily in my thoughts. My hand tightens around the lamp. The surface too hot, but I don't care. I'm already burning inside. You could change the law, Valterre says. Let her be a court mage as herself, if she wants that. But it wasn't as simple as that. In my diving into the business of the kingdom, I know that now. I know that I don't have the absolute power my forebears might have had. I must rely on concessions and diplomacy and compromise. It's why I asked for the treaty with Galenda in the first place. It's how my father ruled, and he'd even wished to give more of that power into the hands of the people. And was he wrong? If I had more power inherent in my person, would I have this aching wrench in my heart? If I didn't have to marry a woman I didn't know, and didn't know if I'd ever even like, let alone love? Or was that inevitable all along? I am fairly certain that I will not love my new wife, because my eyes are only now trained on Caleb, a man who may or may not exist. Will that ever fade? Can I be so entirely ensnared within days to ruin the rest of my life? And even if the law did change, even if Caleb could live as herself and wanted to live as herself, would that still kill me all the same? I see her above me again, glaring her entire life force at the storm, cut and wind-blown and alight with her fury. And gods, she was beautiful. She was a force to face down nature itself. I will think about it, I say. But changing the law is not fully up to me. Barella is struggling, far more than I'd thought a few days ago, before I'd started doing what a king should do. And this kingdom needs its king focused on the problems rotting its core, not yet embroiled in a debate that I know will throw the kingdom into further chaos. Valterre's mouth is a grim, annoyed line, but he nods. Talk to Caleb. Just do that before you make any big decisions, won't you? I smile in return, a pulling of my mouth, but I don't make any promises.